Traveling to South Korea? One hospital visit can cost you $3,000, even for a minor issue. And without proper insurance, you pay everything. South Korea is a modern and advanced country. Many tourists visit for culture and technology, but travel risks are often ignored. Most travelers think South Korea is completely safe. They believe nothing can go wrong. This is a risky mindset. Healthcare in South Korea is excellent, but it is not free for tourists. You must pay for treatment. A simple doctor visit can cost $100 to $300. Emergency treatment can go above $2,000. Costs increase quickly. Many travelers ignore travel insurance. They think it is unnecessary. This can lead to financial loss. Cheap insurance plans are risky. They offer limited coverage. Serious cases may not be covered. Pre-existing conditions are usually excluded. If you have health issues, claims may be denied. This is common. Hospital stays can be expensive. Private hospitals charge more. Bills can reach thousands. Ambulance services are not free. Even short trips cost money. Many travelers are unaware. Cashless treatment is very important. It allows direct billing. This reduces stress during emergencies. Without cashless service, you pay first, then request reimbursement. This takes time. Claim process should be simple. Complicated claims cause stress. Choose trusted providers. 24/7 support is essential. Emergencies can happen anytime. Immediate help is important. Network hospitals make treatment easier. You get faster service. Always check before buying. Travel delays can create extra costs. Flights may be delayed. Insurance can help cover expenses. Baggage loss is another risk. Valuable items can be lost. Good insurance covers this. Real example shows the risk clearly. A tourist needed emergency treatment in South Korea. The bill reached $3,000. His insurance coverage was limited. He paid a large amount himself. This caused stress. Many travelers face similar situations. Poor planning is the main reason. It is avoidable. Choosing the right insurance is important. Do not focus only on price. Focus on protection. Always read the policy carefully. Hidden terms can affect claims. Awareness is key. Check exclusions before buying. This helps avoid surprises. It improves your decision. Family travelers should consider strong coverage. Medical risks affect everyone. Protection is necessary. Senior travelers need better plans. Their health risk is higher. Basic plans are not enough. Students and visitors must plan properly. Unexpected emergencies can happen. Insurance is essential. Travel insurance gives peace of mind. It protects your finances. It ensures safe travel. South Korea is a great destination, but medical costs are still high. Insurance is your safety net. Smart travelers prepare in advance. They avoid unnecessary risks. They stay protected. Travel insurance is not an expense. It is an investment. It saves you from big losses. Many travelers regret ignoring insurance. They face problems later. Learn from others. One mistake can cost you thousands. Do not ignore insurance. Make smart decisions. Good planning makes travel stress-free. Insurance is a key part. Never skip it. Always choose reliable insurance providers. This ensures smooth claims. It saves time. Remember this simple rule. Cheap insurance can become expensive later. Always choose wisely.